Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to change username of account in Windows 11. Follow the steps in this video for those of you who want to change the user account name in Windows 11. This is the user account name on my Windows 11 laptop at the moment, and we will try changing it to another name. Next step. Please create a user account name on your Windows 11 laptop according to what you want. Here I will give an example of this name. Now I have successfully changed the user account name on Windows 11. Now let's check at start. Has the name changed? If not, then restart your laptop or PC first. Okay, here I will immediately restart my laptop, so that the user account name changes in Windows 11. I just restarted this laptop, and let's see the changes. Okay guys, that's how to change the user account name on a Windows 11 laptop. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.